Hey everyone, Ken Angst, Haute Properties NV, the Angst Real Estate Team. Hope everyone is having a great week. We are here to do a video for a virtual open house of our beautiful listing at 607 Moab Court. It's off the Mount Rose Highway in the rolling hills of Galena, right next to the Galena High School. The specifics of this beautiful property are: it is 3,416 square feet, 5 bedroom, 3 bath, 3 car garage, 0.38 acres, beautiful landscaping in the backyard with an awesome fire pit and lots of new upgrades throughout the house. If you're interested in taking a private showing from us, give us a call. It's going active tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Our number in the office is 775-525-0309. And enjoy the video behind this. We did a great video that really shows the property. Hope all is well. You guys have a good weekend. Thanks.